Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Bill for Time invoicing. Bill for Time is a time tracking and invoicing software that helps professionals manage their time and billing processes efficiently. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to create and send invoices using Bill for Time. First step is to set up your account and create a new client. To do this, navigate to the Clients tab and click on New Client. Enter the client's details such as name, address, and contact information. You can also add a client description and assign a project manager. Next step is to track your time. Bill for Time allows you to track your time by creating time entries. To create a time entry, navigate to the Time tab and click on New Time Entry. Select the client and project and enter the time spent and a description of the work done. You can also add expenses to the time entry. Now that you have tracked your time, you can create an invoice. To create an invoice, navigate to the Invoices tab and click on New Invoice. Select the client and the time period you want to invoice for. Bill for Time will automatically populate the invoice with the time entries and expenses for the selected period. You can then customize the invoice by adding a description and editing the invoice details. You can also add a payment term and a due date. Once you are happy with the invoice, you can save it as a draft or send it to the client. Bill for Time also allows you to send invoices electronically. To do this, navigate to the Invoices tab and select the invoice you want to send. Click on the Send Invoice button and select the delivery method. You can send the invoice via email or online payment platforms such as PayPal. Best practice is to regularly review and update your invoices to ensure accuracy and completeness. You should also establish a routine for sending invoices to clients to ensure timely payment. In conclusion, using Bill for Time invoicing is a straightforward process that can help you streamline your time tracking and billing processes. By following these steps and best practices, you can create and send professional invoices to your clients and get paid faster.